Today we're going to be changing the ceiling fan in the computer room. This is for the second time today, because the first time the fan broke. The rubber flywheel broke, which is such a typical thing to have happen. So we're going to install a Craftmade Piccolo, and this is probably going to be the shortest changing the ceiling fan video there will ever be on this channel, because the fan is fully assembled and that's not normally the way it is, and the old fan is already removed, which is also not the way it normally is. So these, I bought two of these with the intention of putting them into the hallway, and they are still going to go into the hallway, but I want to try them in a regular use case prior to that, just to get an idea of how much air they can really move. I suspect once they're in the hallway, their performance is going to be significantly reduced because the air just can't get on top of the fan properly. You know, the blades are only a few inches narrower than the hallway is, so the airflow is not going to be very good. At least not on downdraft anyways. It might still pick up a good amount of air on reverse. Okay, we don't have grounding in this case, so we'll just stick that up there and ignore it. I really don't advise installing ceiling fans with the blades attached, or moving ceiling fans around with the blades attached, or really doing anything in the slightest with the blades attached, but since these are so small and so lightweight, I made an exception in this instance because I felt like I could safely move it under these conditions, and I was able to do so. That looks so stupid. It's too small. I do have shorter down rods for these. I bought either 2 or 3 inch rods. Actually, I think it would have looked better with those rods. That's what we're going to use on the hallway, the smaller rods. Don't need the grounds here because we have no way to bond this, because it's only a 2 conductor wire when you would need a 3 conductor. There is no light on this thing, but I'm going to connect the light wire anyways because I assume it's safely capped off inside. I don't have another wire connector up here. This would have looked better on the shorter rod, but this is not done for aesthetics. This is done for performance testing. It's kind of dusty from sitting downstairs. I really wish Craftmade still made the the CXL, I think it was, which is kind of what this looked like, but just larger. Okay, installation complete. 5 minutes, not bad.